Hi everyone, thanks for stopping back by for another video. And if you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am happy to have you. And for all my returning subscribers, thanks for taking your time to watch another video. And today's video is from Culture Cakes Kit. And I do believe this is the July 2019 box. And a little bit about Culture Cakes Kit. Their motto is explore your sweet tooth and taste the world, which I would agree with. And each month experience a different culture with exotic ingredients, a matching cultural cupcake recipe, plus international snacks. And they do offer several boxes. They offer a full-size kit, which is this kit right here that I'll be showing you, with international snacks plus your recipe, and that's $19.99 a month. They have a mystery box that's $17.99 a month, and then they offer a mini snacks only box, and that's $12.99 a month, and shipping is free. So I like that part. So let's get right into the box and see. And I just hit the camera as usual. So this theme for this month is Saudi Arabia. That's what it looks like on the inside. And our recipe, I'm not sure how you say that. Mama Mool cupcakes. I'm sure I just tortured that. I'm so sorry. So that is the recipe. And then they give you the instructions. And I will post a copy of this towards the end of the video. And then you get a booklet that tells us, you know, basically some fun facts, the experience. I mean, it's just your, you know, a pretty basic book to this month. And then on the back is just a little bit about their company. So let's just dive right in here and see what we have here. And this is from the Blackout Baking Company, and this is Orange Rose Pistachio. So here's what the company label looks like. And then this is what it looks like. So let's open this and see. Where does it open? Use my nails here. I don't know if I'll be able to. I think I need scissors. Scissors. They sure package things up nicely, that's for sure. Okay. So I can at least show you what it looks like inside. So I would assume, oh, these are cookies. I didn't know that. So there's 3 cookies in there. So I guess these are Orange Rose Pistachio cookies. The next thing I see is from Indo-European, and this is ground cinnamon. So that's always good to have. And then let's see how this is. And it does have a seal on it. And you can still smell the cinnamon a little bit. The cinnamon is a very strong scent, so you can still smell that through. Let's see, it looks like we have some goodies here. Oh, from Nescafe, I guess we have a little coffee packet, which is nice. Coffee's usually pretty strong, but I'm a coffee lover, so I will give that a try. And we have, which looks like a date in there. Little date to try, which is always nice. Let's see, there might be more than one. Is there one? Yes, I think we actually got 2 dates. I don't think I've ever tried a date, but I see so many people trying them and enjoying them, so I'll be more than glad to give them a try. And then we have from a company called Mr. Crisps, and these are rings, tomato flavor potato crunches. That's interesting. Very, very interesting. And these are good until January of 2020, so that's good to have. I'm not a big tomato flavor, but I will try one, just, why not? And this is date-filled cookies, and this says it's a large cookie. We get a cookie here, another cookie with dates. I know dates are a big thing in other, you know, the other countries. And we have a second little coffee. And this, I'm not sure what this is. Let's see if I can figure this out. Well, this is a date paste. Now that's interesting. Here that is. That is a huge package. So I would assume that in this recipe, which I'm going to look at real fast, let's just get all this stuff out of my way here, to see if you have to use the date paste in the cookies. Yes, the filling for these cupcakes, I'm sorry, not cookies, cupcakes, you have to use half a pack of date paste. So that means I guess you can make 2 separate batches. Basically, this is an Arab, it's inspired by an Arab cookie and is a Middle Eastern shortbread style cookie that is traditionally filled with spiced dates and nuts, then topped with rose water or orange blossom water. Well, that's interesting. Let me see. Their cupcakes are a shortbread cake filled with spiced dates. Yes, then topped. They just basically, they said like an orange ginger glaze. So I guess, yes, they're giving you the recipe. And I'll hold that a little closer. Maybe you guys can see that. Okay, that's interesting. Makes 18 cupcakes. Okay, I mean, they definitely look interesting. And to put like an orange ginger glaze on the top. Let's see what some of the ingredients are. If there's anything here that you would not be able to get. Excuse me. Flour, cornstarch, powdered sugar, orange juice, orange zest, butter, salt, vanilla. And that's the cupcake. And the filling is the date paste, which they gave us. The cinnamon, which they gave us. Nutmeg and ginger. Most people have that or can get it. Cardamom, I don't have that. I would have to get that. Orange juice and water is the filling. And then the topping is powdered sugar, cardamom again, ginger, and orange juice. And it says optional. Sprinkle with edible roses to make it picture worthy. Okay, that's interesting. I would rather maybe sprinkle some nuts on the top. So like I said, I will post a picture of that recipe in case anybody is interested. I'm sure date paste you can either find maybe like in the international aisle of your supermarket. I think that's pretty standard. I mean, I will have to go get the cardamom. I don't have that. I have ginger. I have nutmeg. I have everything else but that. So I will have to go buy that in order to make these. So that is very, very interesting. And Saudi Arabia is not a country that I am familiar with. So when it does give you a little description of some of the companies that are in here, like the Blackout Baking Company, Arabic Coffee, which I know, oh, it says it's a lighter roast. I always thought that they had it was a darker roast. That's interesting. I would have thought the complete opposite. So this box is very interesting. I find that this box, and here's everything that was in the box. I'm trying not to spill it all over. And I will post close-up pictures of all this so that you guys can see this, and I definitely will post the recipe. I don't know if I will try these just because I'm not a big tomato flavor person. I love the potato part. And I'll have somebody else try them and let me know what they taste like. If they're real tomato flavor, then I won't like them. But if it's just like a hint of it and more the potato, then I probably will like them. I don't mind, but I'm interested in trying these dates. I mean, they look delicious. Absolutely look delicious. And they're soft, so they're not stale or anything like that. I've never seen anything come from this box that was not fresh, so that's really good. So that is the video for today. And let me know down in the comment section what you think of this box. I'm on the fence. Some of this is extremely foreign, and sometimes I am, like we got a coconut milk that came from Thailand. I'm a little leery about that just because it's a milk product, and I used my own coconut milk that was here from the US. But like cinnamon and stuff like that, I mean, probably comes from those areas anyway, because that's where, you know, a lot of the spices are grown and sent to us here in the US. So some of this stuff I will definitely try. Dates I'm interested in. A date-filled cookie sounds wonderful. And these cookies that are the orange roast pistachio really look good. I will definitely try those because everything in there sounds wonderful. So let me know what you think, and don't forget to like this video, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much for watching, and see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.